Good morning. My name is Marcus. I own an Island Packet 29 and I am doing a refit in hopes to do a bunch of sailing. So this is the boat. I'm working on fixing the fiberglass patching. I'm going to be repainting the decks. I'm going to be taking the boat out soon in Charleston, South Carolina. Got some bad decks here, need to be redone. I'm also in the process of changing out the chain plates. These guys right here. I'm going to do outside mount chain plates because I can do that myself, and they're going to be way stronger. I'll be able to inspect them, make sure everything is not rusting or coming loose. These are built into the fiberglass, so you can't check them. So the only way to know that you have good chain plates on these guys is to replace them, unfortunately. Eventually, I've been researching going to synthetic rigging instead of stainless steel. Stuff like changing out the lifelines. I've started on the new Bimini and Dodger. That's the new Dodger or Bimini, I'm sorry. I got the new Dodger ready to go on. Just a lot of little fun projects like that. So stick around. Good morning. Just woke up, made me some coffee. Where'd it go? I found it. The boat's a disaster. Having to move everything out of the compartments and storage areas in order to get to the chain plates. It's about 32 degrees here, and all I had on the boat was a little space heater. But I did find a heat gun in my truck, so I have been running this thing. And this thing's just about run me out of the boat. It's worked extremely well. I had to actually take my coat off. So what I've got this morning is I've got everything cleared out. And I will be drilling holes through the boat. If you can look and see where the chain plates are on the outside, so it'll be coming through right in here, right next to this bulkhead, and then in the bathroom, you see the chain plate. It'll be coming right through here. I said I've got stuff everywhere. So after I get the chain plates done, I'll be able to repack the boat so I can actually move around. Let's get started. First chain plate off. Is through. Came in through the wet locker right here. This bolt is not long enough, so I'm gonna put a 3-inch bolt in there. I'm just dry fitting it right now. Bring that back, change the bolt out. I'm going to attempt to do this without having to inflate the dinghy. Oh, that's in there pretty good. Come on, get out. These are 1/2-inch stainless steel bolts. The chain plates I've made myself from rough stainless steel bar stock that I polished up. I drilled the holes in and curved off the ends. Alright. Once I tighten this one up, I'm going to drill that hole, because I haven't drilled that hole yet. Lots of projects to do on the boat. Now that I've finally have time to do it on the weekends. Alright, there's the bolts and nuts. This place is a disaster. It's just a construction zone disaster. Oh no. I just dropped. I'm just gonna get another one. These washers are also just temporary. I have backing plates to go on here. And wedge myself up in here. See, I've got to bolt this too close. So I gotta push it back. Ooh. Washers on. And try to get this on. Play contortionist to work on this thing. You can't see a whole lot, but there it is. I can barely fit in this cabinet. So, hold the end. Use the pliers. This top bolt is actually going through the existing chain plate, so it's extra secure. So I kind of want to mock these up before I put the sealant on. So I have one more hole to go for this chain plate. And this is the hardest chain plate to do since it's so close to this bulkhead. I'm trying to pull this chain plate to the boat. So once I drill that bottom, it'll be at the right angle. You can see I've already prepped the chain plate here. I had to drill all this out with a oscillating saw. This is where the old chain plate was that broke. I'm going to attempt to drill that last hole. Of course, the battery's dead. There it is. I have to take a small hole saw so I can get a nut on there. Take all the bolts off, take it back off, put sealant on there, and put it back. maybe I should pull it in a bit.